to celebrate excellence and bright minds here in Marinduque, and also to give you gifts of Uskat para sa mga third year. Parang ganyan yung Uskat. Ayun, so, basahin ko na lang yung guidelines. So, TIESIP has two parts, elimination round and final round. So, a group of 3 students who are either third year or 4th year standing shall be official team representative of the participating school. For the elimination round, each contestant shall individually take a multiple choice exam with questions ranging from the arts and literature, history and geography, science and technology, general knowledge and current events, and mathematics and logic. Individual scores of contestants shall be summed per school and ranked accordingly. The top 10 teams with the highest score shall advance to the final round. 2 hours shall be allotted for this round. As a rule, participants who come in late shall be accommodated but shall not be granted extended time. So, siguro naman, wala nang darating. So, questions shall and should only be addressed to the proctors by raising one's hand before the proctor reads the next question. Trainers or coaches shall only be allowed to stay at a designated area while the elimination round is going on. A contestant called cheating shall automatically be given a 0 score for the elimination round. The contestant with the highest score shall be awarded the top scorer award. Maliwanag ba yun yung para sa elimination? Okay. For the final round, this round shall compose of 3 levels: easy, average, and difficult. 10 questions for 3 points each shall be given in easy round. 7 questions for 5 points each shall be given in average round. And 5 questions for 10 points each shall be given in difficult round. Scoring easy, each question is, sinabi ko na. Aside from pencils and pens, contestants shall not be allowed to bring or use anything unnecessary such as notes, calculators, and cellular phones during the contest proper. Complete answers should be written legibly on the show board to be provided by the organizers. Scratch paper shall likewise be distributed. All questions will come from the quiz master. Answers should be written down only after the quiz master signal. Trainers or coaches shall only be allowed to stay at a designated area while the final round is going on. Neglect of the contest rules shall translate to disqualification. And only the top 3 teams with highest score shall receive the first place, second place, and third place awards respectively. In case of a tie, the teams involved shall proceed to a tiebreaker round. The first team to score earns the contested round. Maliwanag ba yung sa TIESIP? Okay. Ito naman yung sa TIELITHA. May poster making at essay writing. So sa poster making, a student of either 3rd year or 4th year standing shall be the official representative of the participating school. The theme for the poster will be given on the spot. Participants should bring their art materials. May changes po dito sa guidelines na to. Kami po yung magpaprovide ng coloring materials at yun lang po yung pwede nyo gamitin sa pag-drawing. Pero pwede po kayong gumamit ng ibang materials na dala nyo, kagaya ng kung may charcoal, pencil pen, at saka yung iba pa. Pero yung kailangan ang gagamitin niya talaga yung ipoprovide namin. Kailangan makita namin sila sa niya. Yes. The contest shall run for only 2 hours. As a rule, participants who come in late shall be accommodated but shall not be granted extended time. Output shall be judged according to the following criteria. Content, relevance to the theme, 40%. Visual impact, 30%. Creativity, 15%. Originality, 15%. Okay, maliwanag ba yun?
Yes.
For essay writing, a student of either third year or fourth year standing shall be the official representative of the participating school. The theme for the essay will be given on the spot. The essay will be written in English or in Filipino. The contest shall run for 2 hours also. As a rule, participants who come in late shall be accommodated but shall not be granted extended time. Output shall be judged according to the following criteria. Content, 40%. Unity of ideas, 30%. Coherence and consistency, 20%. Technical aspect, which includes grammar, choice of words, and punctuation, 10%. So, for a total of 100%. May questions ba dun sa guideline? So, pwede na tayo magsimula. Ano ba kayo mag-merienda? Hindi pa?
So, sige, bibigay kami ng 10 minutes, ano ba? Break, sige. Kung gusto niya ng break. Yan, 10 minutes lang, para, tapos balik kayo dito para for final direction, and then start na tayo. So, yan, so yung 10 minutes ay nag-start na. Saka po pala, pa-plan ko lang yung mga freedom wall, yung...
Ating mga kalat, sana ay ilagay natin sa tamang lalagyan. This room will be used for the animation lang. Itong first, yung mga benches dito sa harap, ito yung i-occupy ng mga contestants for tag-isip. While the back part will be used for the tag-ikat.
Sa bawat nilalang magigising ang lupang kulang sa dilim. Ikaw ang magsasabi tulad ng isang tanaw sa gitna ng bagyo. Sa sakit, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. At sa paghamon mo sa agos ng ating kasaysayan, uihip ka ng bagong daan. Ikaw ang maalit ng kaya mo sa panalangin sa gitna ng gulo. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw